Now iTool Co. provides a simple solution to keep the standing platform clear of material and tools while working in lifts and on scaffolds. The iTool Co. tool management system keeps your tools and material at an easily accessible working level, decreasing the potential for injuries while increasing productivity. The tool management system keeps materials and tools neatly nested in their next ready-to-use position. It provides a long-awaited workbench for pre-assembling hardware before installation. Due to its telescoping design, the system fits a wide range of lifts and scaffolds, making it perfect for any job site. The tool management system from iTool Co.